What if we merge with machines and transcend our biological limitations? Imagine a world where humans and machines become one. By 2045, technology expert Ray Kurzweil believes we'll do things we can barely dream of today. Your thoughts could live in the cloud.
We transfer the human consciousness between bodies to live eternal life.
Tiny robots might fix your body. Growing old could become a choice. But here's the big question. When humans and machines blend together, will we still be human?
The underlying theme is what I call the law of accelerating returns. And it's not just these gadgets we carry around. It applies now to biology. Health and medicine is now an information technology.
The next few years is going to be remarkable for medicine.
The concept of singularity.
It's fairly slow, though, and Neuralink is slow. And if you really want to extend your brain, you need to do it at a much faster pace.
But isn't that going to increase exponentially as well?
Yes, absolutely.
So how long do you think it'll be before it's implemented?
Well, it's got to be by 2045, because that's when the singularity exists, and we can actually multiply our intelligence on the order of a millionfold.
What is the singularity exactly? It's a remarkable moment when artificial intelligence surpasses human intelligence and begins to develop on its own. It's not simply another tech buzzword. Imagine a day in the future when humans and technology are so intertwined that it is impossible to distinguish between the two. According to tech prophet Ray Kurzweil, this is not just feasible, but also unavoidable.
Well, it's not one soundbite, but the underlying theme is what I call the law of accelerating returns, which is the exponential growth of the price, performance, and capacity of information technology.
He's not guessing either. Kurzweil points to the exponential growth of technology, something he calls the law of accelerating returns. Remember when computers used to fill entire rooms? Now they fit in your pocket. AI, that seemed like a crazy dream, is now creating art, writing computer code, and even diagnosing diseases. And here's the wild part. This technology isn't just growing, it's exploding.
If you can't tell the difference between the AI and a human foil, then we say the AI has passed the Turing test. And no computer has done that yet, although they're getting better every year.
Kurzweil's bold prediction: by 2045, artificial intelligence will be so advanced that it completely rewrites the rules of thinking, creating, and living. We're not talking about a small change. We're talking about a massive, earth-shattering transformation. But here's the big question. Are we heading towards a technological paradise, or are we opening a door we can't close? Kurzweil's vision for 2045. Imagine a future so wild it makes today look like ancient history. Ray Kurzweil sees a world where your thoughts aren't trapped in your head anymore. What if your memories could become digital code that lives forever? Picture tiny robots swimming through your body, fixing every single cell. Diseases gone, aging a thing of the past. We're talking about a complete human upgrade, part person, part machine. Your brain could plug directly into the internet, giving you instant access to all of human knowledge. This isn't just about making individuals better. Kurzweil believes we could solve massive global problems. Poverty could disappear. Diseases might become history. We could even start healing our damaged planet. It sounds like science fiction, but Kurzweil is serious. He believes by 2045, we won't just survive. We'll unlock a potential so incredible, we can barely imagine it today. We're not just talking about technology. We're talking about rewriting what it means to be human. This isn't just an upgrade. It's a complete human revolution. Benefits of the singularity.
We have greater wealth, as I said, that leads to better education, leads to better doctors, leads to healthy people, leads to more global wealth, All of these things work together. AI supercharges everything.
The singularity, according to Kurzweil, is about redefining human potential rather than merely advancing technology. The elimination of sickness is among the most revolutionary promises. If nanotechnology were incorporated into our bodies, it might be possible to repair cells at the microscopic level, eliminating diseases like cancer and even aging.
What's going to happen, people are going to get diseases, and AI is going to come up with a cure very soon, which will lead to a great deal of appreciation.
Another breakthrough lies in intelligence. AI integration with our brains could lead to problem solving on an unimaginable scale. Complex global challenges, such as reversing environmental damage, ending hunger, and creating sustainable energy solutions, could finally have clear paths to resolution.
And it's not just these gadgets we carry around. It applies now to biology. Health and medicine is now an information technology. Not just using computers to track the data, but we're literally reprogramming this outdated software, and that's progressing at an exponential pace.
Creativity, too, could enter a new era. With enhanced cognitive abilities, individuals might achieve levels of artistic and scientific innovation beyond anything in recorded history. Every human mind could function as a powerhouse of inspiration and ingenuity, working alongside AI to unlock possibilities we've yet to consider. Then there's the prospect of extending life indefinitely. Transferring human consciousness into a digital or hybrid form could allow for existence beyond the physical body. This would open doors to entirely new ways of experiencing and interacting with the world. The dark side of the singularity. The singularity sounds amazing, but it's not all shiny robots and cool technology. It comes with some seriously scary questions that could change what it means to be human. Imagine a world where your mind and body merge with machines. Sounds sci-fi, right? But here's the scary part. Would you still be you? What happens to our emotions, our unique personalities if we become part machine? And let's talk about fairness. What if only rich people can afford life-extending technologies or brain upgrades? We could end up with a world split into two, the super-enhanced elite and everyone else left behind. Sounds like a dystopian movie, but it could be our reality. The biggest nightmare? Losing control of artificial intelligence. Think about it. If AI becomes smarter than humans, how can we guarantee it will work for us and not against us? Even brilliant minds like Stephen Hawking and Elon Musk have warned that unchecked AI could be dangerous. Then come the deep, uncomfortable questions. Should we try to beat death? Is technological perfection worth losing what makes life beautiful? Our messy emotions, our connections, our imperfections. Are we just a bunch of data that can be upgraded? Or is there something more, something magical, that makes us human? As we stand on the edge of this massive change, these questions aren't just interesting, they'll define our future. What can we do now? As we race towards 2045, we're facing a big question. Are we really ready for what's coming? Technology is zooming ahead at lightning speed, but our society and laws are struggling to catch up. Think about it. What happens when artificial intelligence becomes smarter than humans? Will our jobs disappear? Can our legal systems handle a world where machines might make crucial decisions? We need more than just cool technology. We need smart education that helps people understand and responsibly use these powerful tools. This means governments, scientists, and tech companies must work together. They need to create guidelines that protect us and make sure technology serves humanity, not the other way around. The singularity isn't just about gadgets and computers. It's about reimagining what it means to be human. Imagine a world where we might overcome death, where physical limits don't exist, and scarcity becomes a thing of the past. 2045 is just around the corner. Whether this future thrills you or scares you, one thing is clear. We're on the edge of a massive change that will reshape human history. So, what do you think? Are we heading towards an exciting new world or walking into unknown danger? What's the point of learning about singularity if you don't know the stages? Watch this video to learn about the 3 scary stages of AI.